Hello, everyone. I hope you're doing well. Welcome to week 5. Week 5 is really interesting because now we transition into submitting our CV or resume this week, and then we also look about how to find a job, what it takes to find a job. Kind of like prior weeks, you're going to have your um, week 5 review, which is due. Make sure you get that finished, and then your CV and resume, which is due this week. Really great lecture. Make sure you take a look at that. I think you'll get a lot out of it. And remember to keep an eye on the course schedule. I think you really need to watch that so you prepare for that first big assignment coming up, right? And what we talk about very soon is our APA research. And that's going to really be a lot of your grade. And we're going to talk about that in upcoming modules. But for now, let's concentrate on getting that resume done, submitting that, watching the video, and then also doing your week 5 review. Keep up the great work. You guys are very engaged. I appreciate all your efforts, and I look forward to working with you as we go through this class. And if you ever need anything, don't hesitate to reach out. Text, email, whatever works best. Thanks so much.